Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to clear browsing history in Safari. Let's start the video. First open your Safari browser. Now on the top you can see here history. Just click on history. Under history click on show all history. As you can see here the history of my Safari browser, what I have searched on that particular dates. Now how to clear the history? On right side you can see here clear history option. Just click on clear history. Now from here you can select the time period, the last hour or today and yesterday, all history. Now choose according to your preference and then click on clear history. As you can see, my history is deleted. This is the very basic and simple way to delete your Safari browser history. I hope you find this video very useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.